The POCO F7 Ultra is shaping up to be one of POCO's most premium flagship devices to date, blending high-end hardware with a sleek design and aggressive pricing. It features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a sharp 1440 by 3200 resolution and a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ideal for both media consumption and gaming. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering top-tier performance for multitasking, heavy apps, and high-end mobile gaming. It comes with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring blazing fast speeds and ample space for content. The camera system is a major highlight. A 50MP primary sensor with OIS ensures crisp and stable shots, accompanied by a 50MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom for detailed portraits and distant shots, and a 32MP ultrawide lens for capturing expansive scenes. On the front, a 20MP selfie camera is neatly housed in a centered punch hole, supporting 4K video recording as well. The device packs a substantial 5,300 mAh battery, paired with 120W wired fast charging and 50W wireless charging, placing it among the fastest charging phones available. Additional features include an in-display fingerprint scanner, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, and advanced cooling for sustained performance. The POCO F7 Ultra brings a near-flagship experience while staying true to POCO's value-focused philosophy, making it a standout contender in the Android space.